it take regular strength?
This is very old. It's, some lady had this hanging on the wall in her house. It was in the family for many years. And she didn't know what to do with it, and so she hung it on the wall.
Yeah.
So I said, that mandolin needs to be refurbished and put in use because it's a nice mandolin. And so that's what I'm trying to do.
I love the inlay.
Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, the inlay of the
Yeah,
wood.
the inlay is really beautiful on that. That's all hand done.
Wow,
Look at the back.
that's gorgeous.
Nice piece of wood.
Oh, the shape is beautiful too. Is that a standard shape?
Probably 65 or 70 years old.
Oh, I was wondering. Does it have like a? Is it signed or have a label inside? Is it signed or have a label inside?
It has a, yeah, but the label is all worn out.
Oh.
It went completely black.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Anyhow, that's they couldn't do that anymore.
No, it can't be what,
It's
exported or imported.
endangered species.
Wow. So this on the side is all ivory too, or on the sides of the?
No, they didn't put it on the side.
Oh, just here and here.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is ivory also.
Wow. Any idea what the wood is?
Any idea?
What kind of wood it is?
No.
Looks a little like.
That's got me fooled. But it is very, very pretty.
Wow. Okay.
I like it. I like old things.